This video covers installing EMTEK's tubular entry set. Unlike a mortise lock, the tubular lock requires round bore holes. Refer to the supplied template for technical details on how to prep your door. For this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a standard level, and protective eyewear.
With the chamber on the bottom half, align the deadbolt assembly in the borehole. Secure it with the supplied 3/4 inch wood screws. Align the latch assembly in the bottom borehole. Make sure the nose bolt is in the right direction for your specified handing. Align the plaque and finish with 2 3/4 inch wood screws. Install the outside trim by aligning the shaft through the latch assembly. For doors that are less than 1 3/4 inches, use the supplied extension collar. Align the outside trim, making sure the tailpiece is horizontal. While supporting the outside trim, align the round plaque with a horizontal tailpiece. Secure it with 2 1.5 inch flathead machine screws. Install the inside trim by aligning the tailpiece and aligning the shaft to the latch assembly. Secure it with the 3 supplied machine screws. If you are having trouble tightening the screws near the knob, use an L-shaped screwdriver. When using a regular screwdriver, it is important to use a soft cloth to prevent any damage on the finish during installation. Removing the doorknob may result in denial of warranty. After the lock has been installed, gently tighten the set screw. The set screw is only for the inner spring mechanism adjustment and not to remove the doorknob. Assemble the bottom tube by screwing it in. And finishing it with a decorative cap.